The Chevrolet L46 Corvette Roadster 2025 is a stunning blend of classic design and modern performance. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is inspired by the original Corvette Roadsters but features contemporary enhancements like LED lighting, sculpted lines, and an aggressive front grille. The lightweight aluminum chassis and carbon fiber accents contribute to its sporty aesthetic, while the convertible soft top provides an open-air driving experience. The distinctive curves, signature badging, and chrome detailing make this model a true head-turner on the road. Equipped with an advanced suspension system, the L46 Corvette Roadster ensures a smooth and controlled ride. The adaptive magnetic ride control adjusts to road conditions in real time, offering both comfort and agility. The independent rear suspension enhances stability, while the reinforced chassis absorbs shocks effortlessly. Whether cruising on highways or taking sharp corners, this roadster maintains a balanced and composed feel. The road grip of the Chevrolet L46 Corvette Roadster is exceptional, thanks to its high-performance tires and low center of gravity. The all-wheel drive system provides improved traction, allowing the car to hug the road even at high speeds. The precision steering and responsive handling make maneuvering effortless, ensuring a thrilling yet secure driving experience. Under the hood, the L46 Corvette Roadster packs a powerful V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and acceleration. The advanced turbocharging system ensures seamless power delivery, making it capable of reaching high speeds within seconds. The dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast gear shifts, enhancing overall performance. With multiple drive modes, including Sport and Track mode, drivers can tailor the car's responsiveness to their preference. Inside, the cabin is designed with luxury and comfort in mind. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen with intuitive controls. High-quality leather upholstery and ergonomic seating provide maximum comfort during long drives. The contrast stitching and ambient lighting add a touch of sophistication. The sports seats, wrapped in premium materials, offer excellent support, ensuring a comfortable yet engaging ride. The Chevrolet L46 Corvette Roadster 2025 is a masterpiece that merges nostalgia with innovation. Its stunning outlook, advanced suspension, road grip, breathtaking speed, and luxurious interior make it a dream car for enthusiasts who crave both style and performance.